We're here at our Covenant Cares water heater giveaway install, and we're excited to bless this family with dependable hot water. This is what community is all about. At Covenant Plumbing, we believe family takes care of family. That's why our Covenant Cares program exists, to help our neighbors right here in Bloomington live a little more comfortably. Today we're installing a free water heater for our giveaway, and we couldn't be more thankful for the chance to serve. Congratulations.